Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can install and use NumPy with your Visual Studio Code editor. So let's get started and let's see how we can do it. So go to the folder where you want to create your NumPy project. So just open it in your folder explorer. Let's say I want to create my NumPy project here. So I can right click here and then click on show more options and click on open with code, which is going to open this folder in Visual Studio Code editor. You can see Python apps. Now here you can create your NumPy app. For example, I'm going to name my file as num underscore test.py file. Okay, and it has created my Python script. Here I'm going to add a very simple NumPy code and save it. Now in order to install NumPy in your Visual Studio Code environment, you can just click on terminal and then open a new terminal here. And once the terminal is open, you can choose between PowerShell or command prompt here. So let me choose the command prompt option from here. Okay. So you can see the command prompt is open. So you can switch between terminals from this terminal window. So I'm in the command prompt window, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to create a virtual environment for my project. So to create a virtual environment, I can just write Python space -m and then venv and the name of your environment. I can name my environment as my env or something else. The name depends on you, so you can give any name to your environment. Just press enter here, which is going to create this my env folder. Okay, and you can see it says we noticed a new environment has been created. Do you want to select it for the workspace folder? Just click on yes here, and once you click on yes, Visual Studio Code is going to recognize your virtual environment, and then it's going to show you some options. Right now, when you go inside this virtual env folder, you can see few scripts here, and there will be a script called activate. So we want to use this activate file in order to activate our virtual environment. So in order to do that, you just need to write this command. So just write whatever is the name of your virtual env folder. In my case, it's named my env, and then give /. This is a / and not a backslash, right? Then write scripts /activate. You can also write /activate.bat file, because you can see under script you have both these files, activate and activate.bat. Let's run this without .bat. I'm going to press enter, and your environment has been activated. And how you know that your environment is activated? You will be able to see this my env under these parentheses before this command, right? So once you see your environment before this folder path, that means your environment has been activated, right? Now in this environment, you can just install any package, and this will be applicable only for your environment for this project. Okay, so here you can just type pip install NumPy and then press enter, which is going to start installing NumPy package in your virtual environment for your project. So you can see it says installing collected package, and once a NumPy is installed, you can see this message which says successfully installed NumPy and the version of NumPy. You might see some warnings here. You can see you are using pip this version and the newest version is this one. So just try running this command. You can do that, there is no harm in doing this. So if you want, you can run this command. So you just need to run this command in order to upgrade your pip package manager. So you can just write pip install then upgrade. Before that you just need to write hyphen upgrade pip. Okay, and then press enter, and it's going to upgrade the pip. Okay, so let me just run this NumPy script. We have created our virtual environment, we have installed NumPy package, so the only thing which remains is the running of this file. So you can run this file by just using the Python command. So just write Python and then the name of the file, which is num_test.py, and then press enter, and it will show you this result. If it shows the result of your code, that means NumPy is installed in your Visual Studio Code with virtual environment and it's running fine, right? You can also install the extension which is called code runner. So just click on extensions and then search for code runner, which is a very popular extension for running various kind of codes. So just click on install option here. I have already installed this extension, that's why it shows me uninstall, but in your case you will see install option. So just click on install and you will see disable or uninstall option. Once that is installed, you will be able to see this run button on top right corner. So the code runner adds this button on top right corner. So just click on run button and it's going to run your code. Now when you run your Python script with this code runner, you can see this error which says no module named NumPy is found. To solve this problem, you can just add this line at the top of your code. So let me show you this line which you can add at the top. So just write hash and then this bang, and then go inside your virtual env folder, then go inside your script folder and then click on python.exe file, right click and copy the path. So just copy the path here and then just paste it after this hash bang. Okay, so hash bang and then space and the path of your Python exe in your virtual env. Save your code and run this code once again, and this time your code will run. Okay, so this is how you can install NumPy on Visual Studio Code to work with NumPy inside your Visual Studio Code. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video.